Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Let's quickly take a look at GBP We can see that at first the trend on our GBP was to USD was actually a bullish move. We can also see that this price was actually trading above the 10 period moving average, but now we actually have a change in movement, right? Now we are now having a bearish move. So we talked about USD giving us a positive news. That was on the 4th, right? We talked about if the news on USD comes out positive, then we should start expecting a drop on GBPUSD. But that day, right, GBPUSD actually gave us a bullish move. I guess that move played out, to actually take out a lot of traders. Anyway, the move is not there. Anyway, we can now see that this GBP to USD is now giving us a bearish move. We can see that GBP USD itself is pushing up. Then any PSV will be trading to our USD should give us a bearish move. So that is what we are seeing. A lower lows and a lower highs is what's playing out on this GBPUSD, coupled with the fact that we are trading at below this 10 period moving average. Previously, it was above this moving average, but now it is below it. So we have to go ahead and sell on this GBPUSD. So we would see this as kind of like a drop. A pullback, we consider this as a pullback. So we expect this to be a drop. So after the drop, a pullback. So let's see if today GBP to USD actually give us a bearish move. Right now, let's see what this forward time frame is saying. I think on this forward time frame, there's a pullback playing out. I believe once this pullback is over on the forward time frame, we should expect a drop on GBP USD. So above all, GBP USD should actually give us a bearish move.